Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to erase backgrounds in Canva. This powerful tool instantly transforms your images, making your main subject pop. Whether you are creating social media graphics, product mockups, or presentations, a clean background is essential. It allows for greater design flexibility, helping you achieve a polished and professional look every time you work on a new project or update an old one. First, open your Canva project or start a new one depending on your goal. Look for the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. You can either click Upload Files to browse your computer or simply drag and drop your image directly onto your canvas. This quick step brings your photo into the workspace, ready for editing. Ensure your image has good contrast for the best removal results. Once your image is on the canvas, simply click it to select it. You will see an Edit Photo option appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click that. Now, within the photo editing options, look for BG Remover. One click, and Canva's intelligent AI will automatically detect and remove the background, often achieving excellent results in just a few seconds. After the initial removal, you might need some adjustments for perfect edges. On the left, you will find Erase and Restore brushes. Use the Erase brush to remove any unwanted remnants and Restore to bring back parts that were accidentally cut out. Adjust the brush size for detailed work, perhaps using a size of around 5 pixels for very fine lines. Zoom in up to 300% for maximum precision. Once you are satisfied with your refined image, it is time to download it. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. It is crucial to choose PNG as your file type, as this format supports transparency. Make sure the Transparent Background checkbox is selected before you hit the final download button. Now you have a professional, background-free image ready for any creative use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.